Hey everyone, in this video we're briefly going to talk about percentiles and box plots. So first, what is a percentile? So if someone writes like P27, this is the 27th percentile. And what it means is that 27% of the data is less than P27. So for example, if we say P27 is equal to 10, then we would say 27% of the data is less than 10. Okay, that's all it means. So there are special percentiles called quartiles. Okay, quartiles. So Q1, that's the first quartile. Q2, that's the second quartile. And Q3, that's the third quartile. So this is the 25th percentile. We'll find all of these all at once in a few minutes. Q2 is the 50th percentile. So it's also called the median. So Q2 is also called the median. And then Q3 is the 75th percentile. So these are just special percentiles, and they're called quartiles. And what they do is they break up the data into roughly equal quarters. So the quartiles, together with two other numbers, are called the 5-number summary. A lot of knowledge in this video. 5-number summary. So the first number, I guess, would be the 0th percentile. We call that the minimum. Then we have the quartiles, so Q1, Q2, Q3. Then we have the maximum. So that's the 5-number summary. So let's go ahead and do a really simple example of finding all of this stuff. Let's find all percentiles, let's find all the quartiles, let's find the 5-number summary, and let's actually draw what's called a box plot. Let's do it all. So say we have some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 17, 18. Okay, and let's find the 5-number summary, draw a box plot, and we'll find a percentile. Let's find, let's find the 10th percentile. No, 18th percentile, P18. So first thing you do is you type in the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15, 17, 18. Typically, if you're doing homework or something, the numbers are typed in for you. So to find the percentile, first you go to Stat, Summary Stats, and then you go to Columns. Okay. You click on where it says var1, and then you come down here and you just enter the number 18. Click Compute. And it should be, there it is, 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. So again, to find the percentiles, or a percentile, you just go to Stat, Summary Stats, Columns, and then pick var1, and then just enter your percentile number down here. So in this case, I entered 18, and I got the answer, which was over here. To graph a box plot, what you do is you go to Graph, Box Plot. Okay, graph and box plot. Pick var1, and you want to uncheck where it says use fences to identify outliers, and click on draw boxes horizontally. So I'm going to click on that, and then click compute. And there's your box plot, right? So you would just draw it like this, and then draw it like this. It's not the best box plot. Right? And there's our box. It's supposed to be a straight line. And the numbers that go here on the little lines are called the 5-number summary. So the first one you see is, let me use my mouse, is 1. That's the minimum. So that one's going to go over here. So that's 1. And the next one is Q1, so 2.5. So that's going to go right here, 2.5. And the next one's Q2, which is also the median, so 4.5. So 4.5. And then over here you have Q3. So Q3 in this case is 16. So 16. At the very end, you have the max, which is 18. So that's your 5-number summary right there. Min, Q1, Q2, Q3, and the max. And we found a percentile. And that's it.